Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to blur in Premiere Pro. And we can do this on two ways. The first way is select right here your video, search for blur, then you have here camera blur, throw it on your video, and right now you can change the % blur with this right here. The other way how to do this is delete the camera blur and then hold Alt and throw this track to V2. Then click on that track, and what we want to do now is we want to go to opacity and click here on this pen. Right now you can mark a face or a part from the video that you want to blur. So let's say I want to blur this piece right here. Then we select it, make it round, and then from now make sure that you click right here on preview, that this one is turned on. And then we click here on track selected, mask forward. And then we need to wait for a few seconds. And right now, if you throw this camera blur right here, you also can see that he made some nice keyframes for our video. So every single moment got blurred in this video. So right now, if you play this, you will find here the blurriness in this video. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.